In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Logo Maker to get started. Open your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your website and brand tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, select Site and Mobile App, and then choose Logo and Brand. This will take you to the area where Wix helps you build a logo that matches your business identity. When the page opens, click Get Started to begin the logo creation process. Wix will guide you step by step, making it easy even if you've never designed a logo before. Next, enter your business name and click Next. Make sure you type it carefully because this name will be used throughout the logo design process. After that, Wix will ask you to choose a style direction. You will see options related to fonts, icons, and colors, with themes such as dynamic, fun, or playful. These choices help Wix understand the look and feel you want for your brand. Select the style that best matches your business personality, and then click Next. Now you'll be asked to enter your business name again as it should appear in the logo itself. This is important because the display version of the name should look exactly the way you want customers to see it. Once that's done, click Next. After that, add a tagline if you want one included with your logo. A tagline can help explain what your business does or reinforce your brand message. If you have one ready, type it in and then click Done. You'll now arrive at the logo template section. This is where Wix shows you different logo ideas based on the preferences you selected earlier. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the template that feels right for your brand. Once you find one you like, click Customize your logo. Inside the editor, you can adjust elements like the text, shape, and symbols in your logo. This is where you refine the design and make it feel more personal and professional. If something doesn't look quite right, you can keep editing until it matches your vision. When you are ready, click Preview to see how your logo appears. After reviewing the preview, click Next. Finally, select the plan that works best for you and proceed to complete the process. That's how to use the Wix Logo Maker from start to finish. Thanks for watching.